So how do people really do podcasts? As far as I know,
We just do our introduction. What's the name of our
yeah,
podcast?
podcast. Oh my goodness.
Mm.
Eh, we're, we're, we're gonna fight the copyright. We're not that bad friends.
Not that
I
bad.
don't know.
I,
Bad friends, badder friends. And we'll see.
we'll see.
But he's Bobby. I'm fake Ryan.
Hi.
Do you watch Bad Friends?
Once or twice.
Ay.
But I haven't really gotten the gist of it, of everything yet.
Hindi ako natatawa.
I'm more of a LDT.
LTT. Oh, yeah, LTT yun. Pinampapatulog ko lang yung podcast actually.
Yeah.
People do podcast while they're doing stuff.
Right.
Pinampapatulog. Because I be playing Zombie Gunship Survival.
Right. Yeah, I see it on your Discord. I have no idea what that is.
It's a free-to-play game. Actually, it's a mobile game.
It's a mobile game, but it's on PC.
Pero may... Oh God. I think I smell.
That's fine.
May,
I don't think they smell.
You'll never know what I smell like. Been wearing very tight stuff. Mula
Yeah.
kanina. It's an AC-130. Okay? I'm a kill straight. And I shoot zombies. Yes. And I protect people. So it's like Death from Above na mission sa COD.
Which is yung may infrared na ganun.
Palaging naka-flare. Palagi ka naka,
Okay.
yeah. It's a gacha game, sadly.
How is that a gotcha? What's the gotcha in there? Is this the weapon?
Because you have 3 weapons, di ba?
Yeah,
So,
the 40, the 25, and the missile.
Yeah, or the cannon.
Yeah.
So, you get gacha from those. Because either, tawag dito, sa simula, you get a basic 25 or 30.
Yeah.
Tapos, you unbox something, you get another one, and then you get another one. You get a cannon, you get a napalm, you get a missile, you get mines, and may rarity. So, as I told, it's a mobile game.
Yeah, okay.
Pero, every mobile game has a map, and you need to do 3 stars.
Yep.
And pahirap ng pahirap. The more star, the harder the difficulty.
Okay.
And the more stress you put onto yourself because you have to grind stuff.
That's why.
But it's on PC.
Okay. Is there like an auto game? Is there an auto?
No, it's not. You
It's
can.
not auto.
You can auto probably
But
if you have extremely good items for your troopers. So aside from you, you get trooper weapons as well.
the ones on the ground units.
The ground units.
Okay.
Because, okay. So ang gist ng game is, you have to cover them while they're looting buildings.
Okay.
So the problem there is they have different weapons as well or classes. And tawag dito, if they have the wrong class for looting, it's gonna take longer.
Okay.
And that's where you come in. You protect them while they're looting.
Okay.
And actually, that's the gacha because if you don't have good enough weapons, you're gonna keep on grinding somewhere there until you get lucky with a good weapon, which you will upgrade, and then you will use that to move forward.
Okay.
So yes, I'm a grinder. I'm a sadistic masochistic. I'm a masochist grinderist.
All right.
That's why and napagastos ako out of nowhere because kinain nila yung card ko. I was just testing it pero pumasok.
Okay.
I spent on a free-to-play game.
I'm gonna go close
Okay,
the door.
yeah.
You hear that?
People, they didn't close
That's E
the door.
ESGS. That's the
There are
crowd.
people like this. I don't
Going
know.
wild.
Never know. We're doing
Okay, they're doing
a
the
GoPro podcast.
Steam Deck OBS recording.
Yes. We'll never know what kind of podcast this is. We'll never know. This is a pilot and this is gonna be successful. We're gonna be successful podcasterist.
Oh, so you were talking while I was talking.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay lang
Good
yun.
luck to the viewers.
Ay,
Well,
hindi, it's on different stuff.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
pwede namang maano.
This is left and right. I have no
Yeah,
idea.
this is left.
Go ahead,
Magkahiwalay. So, magkaibang ano. Patong, I don't know kung sino mag-edit. Ito pa-edit.
Actually.
Sino nga mag-edit? I don't know.
So
We'll see.
for editor's note, while I was leaving to close the door, put left on Leland, right on me. You know how to audio pan, right? If you don't, then Leland needs to find a better editor.
Oh,
or I could
shit.
edit it.
Ay, di ko mag-edit.
No. Maybe, I don't know.
Ano, we'll see. Titingnan natin. Oo nga, no. Fuck. Oh no. Wait, but yeah, Zombie Gunship Survival.
Okay.
And I'm so addicted to that fucking game. I haven't played Call of Duty.
That makes sense. That's why I don't see you anymore in Discord with
Hindi.
Seth.
Hindi, madaling araw, pero may competition kasi ngayon. It's like
Ah,
tournaments.
like every other gacha game.
Yeah, and
Monopoly Go.
hindi ko naman matalo yung mga Indiano. Goddamn Indians be
Because they
cashing it. I'm like, I can't. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna top this tournament. Oh yes, wala pang, nagulat ako. I was already at top 5. Top 5. I'm like, I'm on the local leaderboard.
Yeah.
It was 100k score. Tapos nagulat ako yung score ng top 1, 400k. Kasi simula pa lang nung tournament. I'm like, oh my God. Tapos nagpost ako sa Reddit. Nag-Reddit pa ako. Is this tournament whack? Is the tournament really whack? Tapos kilala pala ng tao yung mga yung nag-top doon. So, don't even waste your gold there. You're not gonna win.
You're not gonna win. Because
I'm like, I just want to win tournament, you know? We'll see. And that's the gacha part again. The higher you go tournament, better rewards.
okay, yeah.
So,
I've been there.
Well, I
That's not
still
fun.
play Raid Shadow Legends while playing this game. So yes, I am twice the masochistic and I have 2 accounts on Raid Shadow Legends.
Yes, yeah. He also manages sometimes Glocko's account if you don't know.
It's not sometimes, it's still do it.
It's still okay. Never mind.
That's my account actually.
That's your account.
Pinangalan ko lang kasi
Gloco. Okay.
sabi niya gawin. Ako yung nalulong. Siya yung bayad, ako yung nalulong.
The things we do for love.
I'm like, why do people keep on playing Raid? Oh shit, this thing is addicting.
Well, I played Honkai Star Rail. I'm already bored. It has been 3 days since I last logged in.
Wow, 3 days. So, ano yan? Mag-aantay ka ng 2 linggo para may please return reward. Do they have that thing there?
I think they do. Do they? You don't. I know.
Sa Raid may ganun.
I think I know they do.
Oh.
I know Nikki has one.
Okay.
I haven't played Nikki. I spent like 3,000 pesos on that game. And then on Honkai, I spent like 5,000 pesos. There was this other gacha game. I forgot the name, but I spent like 12, 13k. And then sold it too.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Nice.
I got a return.
Ang bawi naman.
Yeah, but not with interest. It's the same. Sold it to some Spanish dude. Like, hey, my son wants this account. Can you?
Nice.
Yeah. I don't trust you. Can I have your email account? Okay, sure. Well, I'm doing 2FA, so we're safe. I gave him my password, my email, but he can't have my 2FA. He can't access
Well
that.
then, message ko pala.
Yeah.
Or forgot na never to be change password again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Well, god damn. Ano ba pinakamagastos ko? I think it was life. I think naka 100 plus ako while being a student.
100k?
Then again, I will buying and selling because ano yun eh. Hindi naman
right.
gacha
Yeah.
game. It's
No,
not,
it's more,
it's an online game. Pero since malalakas yung character namin, swinerte kami ng mga classmates namin, nakapag-grind kami. So, you sell items to PHP, which is quote-unquote illegal. Illegal to the game, but
Legal to the game.
not really illegal outside the game. So,
That's also a thing for Tarkov, but Tarkov
no.
does not like that.
oh no, Tarkov's PHP. Why do you? How?
People would buy in real life currency. They would buy like $100 and then get 1 Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin is like 100,000 rubles in the game. That's how you buy IRL. You buy Bitcoin with IRL currency, and then for a few more months it gets server wiped. So I don't know what's the thrill.
Wait, so hindi bumabalik din yun?
No, I don't. It's on alpha. They like to waste money.
I understand if you just buy small bitcoins, 0.00 something, you know?
And
At least
no,
may chance
there's
of-
like a Bitcoin talaga sa Tarkov. It's literally it's like a fucking plaque, and then you give
Wait.
you sell it to anyone, and then that equivalents to 100k rubles
I get the wipe. Nag-gets ko yun because kinopya ng code yun eh. We have the DMZ.
Yeah, the DMZ.
Now, yung may nakita ko sa lobby na parang may, di ba may mga farm thing?
Yeah, yeah.
May, ano ba, what do you call this? Lobby or base? May base ka, gagawa ka ng PC,
Yes,
yung mga yun.
yes. Sa underground
That's
mo.
still
Yeah.
inside the wipe?
Na wipe din, kasama din ng wipe yan. So, that's the thrill.
Talugi yun.
Basically, Tarkov is training you to lose that gear fear, but at the
Wow.
same time, why are you wasting money on something so temporary?
Wait, you have to buy Tarkov, right? Walang free, ano yun?
No, there's no free. You have to buy Tarkov for like
Yeah, you see
3,000,
this?
2,000.
DMZ, get code, DMZ is free. May mga onting something lang na hindi free or kailangan nyo bilhin yung game para ma-unlock.
Yeah.
DMZ. And it's not beta. Wait, no, it is beta. Beta pero it's code. Meaning,
It's not beta.
it's not beta, but you know, it's working, it's running. There are bugs, but it's running. It's running. O ano, hanggang hindi na umayos yung graphics. Talagang, or pangit lang yung mga nag-i-stream.
Pangit lang ata.
So probably naka-low settings for competition something.
For
Okay.
higher FPS, but we all know
Gets
that COD has
wala, mas maganda yung
terrible,
graphics eh.
terrible optimizations.
Maganda yung graphics ng Tarkov sana kung...
Maganda yung graphics ng Tarkov, hindi din
Yeah,
optimized. Kasi another reason why Tarkov is like super slow sa updates is because their number one priority now is battling cheaters. So they can't really push forward with their game updates because of the cheaters.
Eh,
That's why it also kind of died off, and then fuck.
how come Minecraft has better anti-cheat?
Because in the first place, they allowed custom mods. So parang okay lang sa kanila. That's why,
Okay.
yeah.
Understandable. Kala ko naman, Minecraft devs, go to help Tarkov. Why don't you help Tarkov?
Di, kasi Unity talaga yung Tarkov eh. And then Minecraft is literally just Java. Code talaga siya.
You see, if you stop using Unity and use Java, that would be the best Tarkov. Kita niyo, tataas yung player pool nyo. The amount of kids that you'll get there. Hey, your mom! Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Or Roblox. Roblox Tarkov. Oh,
Actually, there's a lot of like custom
really?
Roblox things. There's also like a Roblox game that doesn't look like Roblox at all. I think it was Battle. I don't know if it's BattleBit or like there was something inspired by BattleBit before it became BattleBit.
I almost started playing
BattleBit.
hindi, Roblox for a
Roblox.
bit. Kaso hindi ko alam na may unlocker pala. Naumay ako sa 60 FPS eh. Nakalock eh. Hindi ko alam na may
may
na
unlocker.
pwede mo ma-unlock eh. Because I'm like playing on 144 hertz tapos 60 FPS. Oh my goodness, the stutter is real. I cannot. It's like playing on a console. Like, why am I doing this to myself? Goodness. Hi. COD. Oh, COD. You finished COD, ne?
Yeah, I finished
Modern
the campaign.
Warfare 3.
Yeah.
In a non-spoiler, what you call this? In a non-spoiler review, how is it?
It's basically expensive DLC. It's a $70 expensive DLC. You want to know the story? Good fucking luck. Just watch it on YouTube. Don't fucking buy
Yeah.
the game. Fucking hell.
Tayo na ako. Bibili ko pa rin yung ano eh.
Yung Vault.
Vault because hindi, I buy the battle pass yearly, so it's the battle pass plus the what you
Black
call this?
Cell.
The black cell. Yeah, I keep on doing that. So
Yeah.
I'm still gonna buy it. Plus 50, 20 battle pass skip.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so it's kinda okay na rin.
Okay.
And after that, it's gonna be a free battle pass every time because
Kasama na Black Cell.
hindi. Wait, actually, mas mura na lang. Mas mura mabibili yung battle pass.
Okay.
I'm a hot bitch. Wala akong magagawa. I keep on buying it, you know. That's why, watch this on YouTube, please. I get the YouTube money and I use that for
For Battle
Battle
Pass, that's it. Fund his Battle Pass.
dati pampagkain ng aso eh.
Ngayon, pang Battle Pass na.
Yeah.
Well, you could always buy the 7-Eleven sisig. It's literally dog food.
Ako na, baka magsakay baka. Puroro.
Eh,
Nilabas ka na yung sisig, nilabas yung ganyan.
yung kiniltig ka.
Mas dumami kasi may kanin na. Imagine niyo na lang yun. Ah. Or kung tignan ko makakuha kong picture tapos ilalagay dyan. Ganyan yung tsura. That is kung may nakuha akong picture.
Or, kasi may 7-Eleven sa baba namin eh. So, pwede naman like, kunin ko, bilhin na lang, tapos picturean ko. Tapos, give it to the dogs outside. Because it's literal dog food.
Oh my goodness. Ang hirap pa buksan. Yung tape. Tayo ng tape na yan. Invulnerable. Ang init-init, hindi natatanggal. What the fuck?
I don't know.
What's that tape? I don't know. Okay, so
Microwavable tape.
oh shit. Microwavable tape. wala akong maisip.
Apparently,
Yeah.
Speaking of microwaves, people have been microwaving cup noodles.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. And
And then, may balita, may recent post na yung cup noodles, now they're microwave friendly. So that implies that before they were not microwave friendly. So that also implies that anyone who microwaves their cup noodles may or may not have cancer.
yeah, that's why this is how we are. And that's why this is how you are. You're part of it. Unless you weren't born within the 1990. You don't have 19 on your birth year. You've done it. You have problems. We are the problem.
Yeah, we just got it.
We've done it so much. Who? Hindi ko maisip yung meme na ano eh. Yung, kalimutan ko yung meme. Yung pag nilabas mo yung they've done something to have a microwavable pero it wasn't.
It wasn't like, huh?
Shit. It was never.
It was never microwavable in the first place. That sudden realization.
Probably that's why wala. The world is crumbling because of it na.
Yeah.
Ay,
Well, that's fine. You only get to live once.
yeah, that is true. Unless may pacemaker ka. Tapos mamatay ka saglit. Ano?
May self-revive.
Self-revive. Yun nga. May self-revive na yun. Si Sharp may self-revive. Dali. Ay, siya nagsabi nila. My girlfriend has self-revive. She has a pacemaker. Siya nagsabi. So, hindi kasi pare-pareho yung beat ng mga tao. And
Arrhythmia.
siya may she has arrhythmia. And pag humina, you get the die, you get the not alive for a bit, but the pacemaker self-revive. Alive.
Keeps the heartbeat in rhythm, basically.
Yeah. Na pag hinihingal siya, cardio.
Tension.
So yeah, if you have heart problems, it's expensive though.
It is.
Very expensive. Buti na lang may healthcare.
Yung girlfriend mo or ikaw?
May siya.
Okay.
Company.
So if he gets heart problems, he's fucked.
Buti high blood dito sa likod. Hindi heart problem.
Okay.
Alayo. Congested yung mga ugat pero dito. Malao self-revive lugi. Alam mo nang nakatawa nga yung now I remember if you have to live healthy. So tiring. Pero ang gusto kong mangyari yung hindi ginawa nila Rick and Morty na masok sila sa katawan ng kung sino man tapos linisin mo na lang yung sarili mo. Declog yourself.
Detoxify, basically.
Is there a new season? May nakita akong
Yeah,
episode.
there's like 3 episodes now.
Oh,
We've been
shit.
watching.
The
The first episode was like, okay lang. Pero the second episode, parang papunta na din. It's like climbing back up with the new voice actors na di mo napapansin na hindi si Justin Roiland nag-VA.
Oh, they did good. Oh. Well, oo nga, may issue nga pala sila. No.
Right. I mean,
Ano
wala
ba?
naman yun. I mean, Justin Roiland was in the clear. They could not prove the sexual allegations.
Pain. Well, wala. Kailangan pa rin nila mag-resign. Wala naman sila sa Pinas kung Pilipino yung mga yun.
Yeah,
They can stay for
they can
mga stay.
stay.
Ano? Wait. So, may bago ng Rick and Morty. May
Mm.
bagong episode na ba yung Loki?
Yes. This
Bukod dun sa
5 episodes in. Next week, well, this week, since it's Sunday, may dapat yung final episode ng Loki, lalabas na dapat.
final episode.
Yeah, there's only 6 episodes.
Oh, no. Wait, ang tinulugan kayo Oppenheimer. Nakatulog ako sa Oppenheimer na na episode. You probably know that.
Yes.
So may
yes.
episode na sumunod na doon.
That
nice.
was this one. That was this week. So that's episode 5, which is basically parang filler siya.
God damn. No, kaya nga inantok ako eh. Ang bagal ng episode na yun eh.
Diba?
Okay, we'll see that. The next one din. Okay. Nice. Wow. Dami nating topic. That's nice actually. You
Yeah.
know, a pilot episode. I don't know what you guys are gonna do. Closing.
Thank you.
We're closing. Yes, we have to go. So, okay lang. At least, what? This is going for 25 minutes? That's nice. Okay. How do people do this and not do this, you know?
How do you mean not do this?
People do this, but they don't do this. PR, huh? Calling out people, huh? What's wrong with you? Nagpagawa ka studio na yung ginagamit, ha? Kami gagamit.
Kami nagagamit. We're just borrowing stuff from
Yeah.
Mr. Jason Clark Alonto.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you to, anong media?
Welcome Studios.
Welcome Studios. May iba silang ginawa, hindi pa yun eh. Alam ko may finalo ako eh.
Oasis Gaming.
Hindi. After,
Blind Spot.
Blind Spot, may sumunod ba doon?
They renamed Blind Spot to Welcome Studios.
Okay.
Kasi they wanted to, be legit business.
Oh, nice. Legit. Clark, nice. Yes.
Legit na si Clark.
Oh, yes. Yum. Don't look.
God damn.
Why? I bought that NPC gun screen. I like that shit.
Yeah.
Headshot. Poor
Yeah.
baby. Oh.
Di pa rin lumalabas sa store so I will never get that.
Antay mo lalabas yan.
Siguro sa Modern Warfare 3 na lalabas.
Ay, wait. No. Uy, may timer ka rin.
No, that's why.
Ano ba? Sakto para yun eh. Kailan hanapin mo yung baril? Hanapin ko yung baril. Tapos lalabas yun sa packages doon. Send ko sa'yo mami. Nakalimutan ko eh. Yeah, I don't know how to do outro but yeah, this is a podcast na gagawin namin probably weekly. No, we'll do this weekly.
I have to go to PR. I have to go to Quezon every Saturday now.
Oh, we'll see. Oh, okay. Yeah, that works actually.
Yeah,
And-
just sasakay lang ako LRT then probably either mag-jeepney or mag-angkas.
Yung jeep ko na lang sayang yung pag inangkas mo eh.
Hindi kasi yung pagpunta namin last time, iba na daw yung ruta ng jeep.
Ha? Saan kayo?
Walang jeep available pumunta doon.
Baka nung araw lang na yun, may mga jeep na pauwi.
Okay.
Oh, we'll see. May nakita ko, saan ba kayo sumakay? Sa may Julius yun eh. Di ba pagbaba niyo LRT, maglalakad kayo, may Julius.
Yeah, yung Julius.
Yun yung sakay ng Project 8. Baka
Now
kasi
you know where they are. The joke.
Project 8, tapos sasakay kayo Project 6, tapos sasakay kayo somewhere else. Sa General. Tapos sasakay kayo pa Fairview. Yun.
Sa Novaliches na kayo.
Oo,
Mas lampas pa.
doon sila
Punta na sa
Royce.
Valenzuela.
Magkalapit lang kami ni Royce. Kung alam niyo saan bahay ni Royce, doon kami Shit, natatay na ako. Okay, tara, sige, let's go.
Next podcast
Next
idea.
podcast, yeah. We're gonna...
Nasa CR si
Oh my
Leland.
God. Kanyat yung camera. Umiit. Ay, nakatayo na yung balay mo.
Okay.
How do I...
Goodbye, people.
Bye-bye. Oh my
See you
goodness.
next week.
Next week, yeah. Next week.
Pag di kami tinatamad. Unless
This-
magdi-Discord podcast na talaga
Oh, yeah, we
kami.
can do it. Wait, do I stop record? Clap.
Clap.
Yun. Okay. This is nice.